is introduce Mr. Doty.
So I'll read off some of the accomplishments of the organization. The Center for Employment Training graduated in its 26 years over 25,000 to 3,000 Chicago students and residents within the health industry. We graduated 1,500 inmates that were coming back into society in the areas of building maintenance and construction. We have reached over 10,000 Chicago and Minnesota residents via our series of health fair symposiums and town hall meetings over the last 8 years. With the support of CHA Residential Services and the Illinois Department of Aging, we have reached 5,000 seniors within the last 15 years. And 15,000 seniors since January 6, 2016. With a plan to reach 3,000 by October 2017.
We have two big needs. First of all, of course, is physical health, but also spiritual health. And that's exactly what this organization is doing. It has been doing for so many years, and Georgia herself is the saint for this organization. We're so proud of her for having started this. It's wonderful for what she has accomplished for senior citizens as well as for youth. And I'm happy to be a part of it, and I hope to remain a part of it. And I'm very proud of Don for having stuck with it, because he's had a lot of challenges, but he's managed to keep himself together.
There's no greater work one can do than to promote good health and health care. I don't care how wealthy you are. I don't care how accomplished you are. I don't care how much money you got. If you are sick, you're not in good shape. So this is outstanding work. I commend Don Doty for doing it. And Don has been the main educator in the state of Illinois, pushing the issue of hepatitis and the issue of HIV and AIDS, and has helped to educate thousands and thousands and thousands of people so that they know how to better protect themselves.
Healthcare is so prevalent in our area, and to be an honoree, I can also go back to my community and tell them how important that is for us. But for the Doty organization to have been such partners in our ward, in our far south side, it is just second to none.
This organization, which is an oasis of care for people, for global problems here in the community here in Chicago, is spreading throughout the United States and making an incredibly wonderful impact on helping people.
Don Doty has been such an inspiration. Since the time I've met him, he's been very instrumental in supporting our program and providing us with resources and opportunities to expand our message. Our mission is to strengthen the Illinois Organ and Tissue Donor Registry through outreach and registration initiatives. And Don Doty and the Doty Health Initiative is one of the organizations that allow us to do as much. So I'm very honored to be here.
The Georgia Doty Outreach Program has been a great honor. The program means to me an inspiration to help the underprivileged and people who need need more education and awareness on their health. Being able to be a part of that and to give back to the community, to people who need it the most, is the reason why I became a physician, and this organization allows me to do that.
And I often saw Don Doty out there pushing, and one of the things we began to collaborate and we partnered, we broke apart for a while, and then we came back together, and one of the things he talked about was helping seniors. Looking through my practices and what we've been doing, we've been able to help over 5,000 seniors since I started practicing here in 2004 in pain management, and it's a wonderful thing, especially in our community. The biggest thing about pain management and good health is not getting in a situation that you have to be in a disparity and preventing a lot of things, and that's what myself and my team does, and that's why I'm so excited about working with Don Doty.
It's a marvelous organization. They are dedicated to helping people who are suffering from HIV and hepatitis C. But more than that, it's a commitment to help people who often don't have the resources.
Don is a pillar of the community as founding president and CEO of the Georgia Doty HIV and Hepatitis Community Outreach. Let me salute all of tonight's honorees and participants for your dedication to making a difference in the lives and health of the at-risk community. I especially appreciate all of your good work to raise awareness about hepatitis and HIV within communities of color. I have worked in Congress to support your efforts, and I am encouraged by the success of the Needle Exchange Program that is a crucial tool in the arsenal, along with counseling and medical referrals designed to reduce drug use and infection. The correlation between drugs, the lack of mental health treatment, and chronic unemployment create a terrible cycle that devastates too many communities. I am deeply honored to receive this Public Service Award. I hope to live long enough to prove myself worthy of receiving it. I have spent my career in Congress working to serve the communities I represent and to protect the least among us. As long as God continues to give me good health and the people continue to give me their support, I look forward to continuing that work. Thank you again